Dear student, welcome to your learning class. My name is Y Modern University School Navada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern University School, New Area Navada. Today, last video of the exercise 17 में, I solved some questions that very important for the board examinations. So now see here, this is question number 21. The rainwater from a roof of 44 meter into 20 meter collected into a cylindrical vessel of diameter 4 meter and height 3.5 meter. If the tank is just full, then find the rainfall in centimeter. A roof and the water is collected in the cylindrical vessel whose diameter is 4, that means radius is 2 meter and height is 3.5, and it is just full. And here is the roof is given whose diameter is 44 and 20 cm. Dimension is given 44 into 20 meter. Then your question is, this water collected from the roof and poured into the cylinder and just it is full of the water. Then it is clear that the volume of water is equal to volume of the cylinder. But on the roof, water is always in the shape of form of cuboids. So, what is the volume of water? Volume of water is equal to volume of cylinder. Then volume of water on the roof, so it is area into height. Area is 44 meter and height is 20 meter. It is the breadth is 20 meter. So area of this roof is 44 meter into 20 meter. And suppose the height of the rainfall is h meter. So I write here it is the h meter, and it is equal to volume of cylinder, that is pi r square, that is 3.5. R square, that is 2 square into 3.5. So now write here 44 into 20 into h is equal to 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 3.5. So what is the value of h? Then h is equal to 22 into 2 into 2 into 3.5 by 7 into 44 into 20. So 3.5 2 ja and 2 11 ja and 11 4 ja, and these two cancel here 2 and these two cancel here. Then you have is 1 by 20 meter. It is the height of the water. That rainfall is 1 by 20 meter. Now your question, just find the rainfall in cm. So height of this water is 1 by 20 into 100, that is cm. So 25 ja. That means rain on that day is 5 cm. How you can find the height of the rain? When collected in the form of cuboid, and this is the height of the water, is called height of the rain. So suppose here height of the rain falling on the roof is x meter and the length and breadth of the roof is given. Then what is the total water volume of the roof? Is length into breadth into rainfall, that is h meter. So I write here length into breadth into h meter, and this water is collected into the cylinder and the radius and the height of cylinder is given. So volume of this cylinder is equal to the volume of the water collected on the roof. So we write 44 into 20 into h is equal to pi r square. After calculation, we get 1 by 20 meter, but your question asking that you write in the cm. So I converted this 1 by 20 in centimeter. Then you get here 5 cm. This is the rainfall of centimeter. Now see question number 24. That is, water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 2 cm into a cylindrical tank of radius 40 cm at the rate of 0.4 meter per second. Determine the rise of water in the tank in half an hour. Your question is given that a pipe, it is also cylindrical pipe, and from this pipe water is flow through this and absorb into also a cylindrical vessel, that is radius and height, that is determine the rise of water in this, that is rate of given radius is 40 cm, radius 40 cm, then half an hour how much the level of the water rise up in the cylinder. Here is given the water flow through the cylinder, so it is clear what is the radius of this cylinder. So you read here water is flowing through a cylinder of internal diameter 2 cm, that means radius is 1 cm into a cylinder tank of radius 40, and the speed of water is 0.4 meter, 0.4 meter converted into centimeter, then multiply by 100, so cancel, that is 40 cm. So here is 40 cm per second. Now your question is how much the rise of water in this cylinder when the water flow through this pipe in half an hour. So first you write what is the volume of water flow through this pipe in 1 second. Because the speed is given here 40 centimeter per second, that means the length of this water, that is the height of the water in cylinder, is 40 centimeter in 1 second. And your question is what is the volume of the water released from this small cylinder in half an hour. So first find what is the volume of water flow through the cylinder, in 1 second, then that is pi r square, that is 1 square, and height is 40 cm, then it is pi into 1 into 40, that is 40 pi centimeter cube flows through the cylinder water in 1 second. Your question is this water is flow in the cylinder in half an hour, that means what volume of water in half hour is equal to 40 pi into 1800, because in half hour there are 1800 seconds. This volume is given in 1 second, and your question volume in half an hour, that in half an hour is equal to 1800 seconds, and this volume is equal to the volume of cylinder absorbed in it. Suppose height is h, so we write that is pi r square into h is equal to 40 pi into 1800. So pi cancel, 40 cancel. So what is the h? So h is 1800 by 40. So it is cancelled, and 445 that is 45 centimeter rise the water when the water flow through this pipe in 40 meter per second in half an hour. The level of water rise of 45 centimeter. Dear student, this type questions you always find out what is the speed of water in the cylindrical form, then that speed is always converted into the height, and radius of the cylinder is given. So first you find what is the water flow through this pipe in 1 second. After that your question is water flow through in 1 second, half an hour, how much water is. So first we find volume of this water in 1 second, then multiply by 1800 because half an hour, and it is equal to volume of absorbed in this cylinder. So volume of this cylinder is equal to volume of the water. Then you get h is equal to 45 c. Now see question number 28. That is water running a cylindrical pipe of inner diameter 7 meter. It is a pipe and inner diameter 7 meter, then radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Is collected a container. Is collected a container, given big container, and water is collected here. Then at the rate of 192.5 liter per minute. Then your question is find the rate of water in kilometer per hour. Dear student, in these questions, the radius of this pipe is given, that is 7 by 2, but height of this pipe is not given. It will depend on the speed of the water. And your question is also what is the speed of the water. That means what is the height of this cylinder in 1 hour. When the water flow through this pipe, then your question is what is the height of this cylinder, what is the length of cylinder in 1 hour. So the volume is here given. Volume is given, that is 192.5 liter per minute. But your question is per hour. So in 1 minute this liter, so in hour you multiply by 60, this point is cancelled by 10. Then your question is 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12, and 3 15, 9 6 is 54, 1 5, and 6 5 11. Now multiply 1 times again. 6 5 is 30, 0, in hand 3, 6 is 12, 3 15, in hand 1, 6 9 is 54, 1 55, in hand 5, 6 1 is 6, and 5 11. It is the liter. And this liter converted into centimeter cube, then 11,550 multiply by 1000, then your volume will be centimeter cube. So it is 11,550, and there are 30 centimeter cube. It is the volume of water collected in container in 1 hour. Because this water collected in container in 1 minute, so this centimeter cube is the volume of the water collected in 1 hour. Now your question, what is the height of this, that is the what is the length of the cylinder, then it is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. Here pi is 22 by 7, r is given 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and h is not given, so it is h, and volume of this. So you can find easy way what is the value of h. So h is equal to what? H is equal to 11, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Multiply by 7 into 7. Multiply by 7 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2. And divided by here 22, 7, 7. 22, 7, 7. So this 7 is 7 cancel. This 2 cancel, 11 ja. This 11 cancel, 11 1 ja, 0, 5. This 7 cancel here, 7 1 ja, 3, 7 5, 15 ja. Therefore 15, 0, 0, 0, 0 centimeter. It is the height of the cylinder. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 0, 3 1 4 0. So here is 15, and there are 1 2 3 4 0. I write here, this is centimeter, and your question is per kilometer. So divided by, sorry students, here is 15, 2 is remain there. So it is 15, 2 is 30. So here is 30, and number of 0 is 1 2 3 4. So write 1 2 3 4 centimeter. And now your question is kilometer per hour. So here is 1000 and 0, first 2 0 divided into centimeter in meter, and then divide 1000, then converted into kilometer. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 can say, then you have only 3 kilometer per hour. How it is in hour? Because your volume is given in liter per minute. So first I convert this per minute into per hour, then multiply by 60, because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So first we find the volume of this container, multiply by 60, then volume of this liter. Now liter converted into centimeter cube, it is only option when you multiply by 1000, then liter is converted into centimeter cube. So now this is the centimeter cube, it is the volume of water released in 1 hour. So what is the volume of this cylinder in 1 hour? That is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h, because pi r square h volume of the water released. So what is the h? Then h is equal to this 722 right here and this 2277 I write here. After cancellation you get here 30 and there are number of 0 are 4, so I write here 40. After last step I want to change this centimeter into kilometer, so centimeter divided by 123,450, then you get it is kilometer. So speed of this water in this cylinder is 3 km per hour. Now question number 30. This question is last question of today's session. That is, marbles of diameter 1.4 cm are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 cm containing some water. Find the water of marble that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water rises 5.6. Find the number of marbles. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level is 5.6 cm. Here is a beaker and whose radius diameter is 7 cm, that means radius is 7 by 2 cm, and water is here. When marble are dropped into it, then water is rise up to 5.6 cm. Then water is now is here. So your question is, what is the number of marble dropped into it? Then it is clear the volume of the marbles is equal to the volume of the rise water. So your question is, find the number of marbles. So first we find what is the volume of marble. Volume of marbles is always in the form of a sphere. So volume of marble is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means 4 by 3 pi, and r is given, diameter is 1.4 cm, so r is given 0.7 into 0.7. And volume of the rise water, is equal to the pi r square h, because the rise water in the form of a cylinder, so water is also safe in the cylinder. So rise water is the volume of the cylinder. This part is also cylinder whose height is 5.6 and radius is 7.2. 7 by 2. So you write here pi, radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 and height is 5.6 centimeter cube. It is the volume of rise water and it is the volume of one water. So your question is, what is the number of marbles? Number of marbles is equal to volume of water divided by volume of marble. So volume of water is pi 7 by 2 into 5.6 divided by 4 by 3 pi into 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. It is 4 by 3 pi 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. Here is pi r square h. So this pi cancel. Here is 0.7 you write here. It is 3.5 because here is 7 by 2. It is also 3.5 and it is 5.6 divided by 4. Here is 0.7 and 0.7, and these three you write here. So what is the number of this? 0.75 ja, 0.75 ja, and 0.78 ja, and it is 4 2 ja. So your number will be 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. So 5 5 ja 25 into 2 50 and into 3 that is 150. That is the number of marbles. So dear student, your question is related to the Archimedes principle, that when a solid immerses into the water, then this water is raised and displaced by the solid as equal to the volume of the solid. Here solid is the form of marble, that is in the form of the sphere. So first we find what is the volume of the marble and then what is the rise of water. That means total water, volume of water, that is rise of is what? That is equal to the volume of the cylinder, and the height of the cylinder part is 5.6 cm. So first find rise of the water, and then what is the number of marbles? Then this is the rise of water divided by volume of the marble. Then you get that is the number of the marbles, and that is 150 number of this marble. So dear student, remain questions try to solve by itself. If you have any problem, then ask to me. Thank you dear student.